Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we're going to go through an apartment that was recently remodeled and it looks beautiful. It's in the Provenza area, or the neighborhood of La Florida. If you're familiar, you know where that is. This apartment is awesome because I love this kitchen. This kitchen is so big and so warm and inviting. I love the colors. I love everything about it. That granite countertop with the stove top there. It is looking beautiful. So this is the kitchen, and then over here you've got the laundry room, which obviously can easily fit that stackable washer dryer. They just have one, which is the washer. Maybe they were hang drying, I don't know. But this is the rest of the kitchen overlooking that living room area there. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment, guys. This is 159 square meters, so it's pretty big. Each bedroom is actually pretty big as well. And this is like the secondary, bedroom, but it's as big as a master in a lot of the apartments that I've seen. It's got its own in-suite bathroom as well. Big bed, a lot of room, a lot of privacy too, because the apartments are not adjacent to each other. They're actually like across from each other, which is a bit, wow, look at this bathroom. I love the sink. I've actually never seen a sink like that, and I loved that idea. I might steal it for some of my apartments. So this is perfect for someone that either wants to live in it or you can rent it out. At this price, we're going to go over the numbers here at the end, so stick around. But let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. This is the bathroom. This is the common bathroom. It's a full bath. Again, the sink is amazing. I love the accent lighting. It's just everything about this remodel was done well. This is the other room, which this current owner is using as an office, or used as an office, but it could easily be a bedroom without a bathroom. This would be its bathroom here. This is the 3rd bedroom over here, which is the actual master, which is a lot bigger than the other one, or the other two actually. And a lot of space here. I love the wood and the green. It's got a contemporary style, and obviously just up to you how you're going to decorate it, or you can repaint it. But I love the micro cement on the walls, which if you know about, flipping or construction, you know that that's a pretty awesome concept for the walls. And it's a labor-intensive concept as well, or job. Again, this is the other bathroom, the in-suite bathroom. The caveat is that they don't have like walk-in closets in either of them, but it works. The closet space is big enough in the rooms. The living area is giant, and this is my favorite part right here, the terrace. How far is this from Provenza? This is a 5-minute walk from Provenza. You would never need to Uber. You'd just go down that hill to Provenza and you're right there. But you're far enough that you're not going to get all that noise from the nightlife. This one is listed at $292,000, and it is 159 square meters, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. The cost per square meter is only $1,700. It's actually $1,711, but rounding down $1,700, because you'll probably negotiate down from $292,000, right? How much can you rent this for? It can go for, according to AirDNA, $3,500 per month. According to AirDNA, the occupancy rate in Provenza is about 70%. So let's say that you're renting it out, completely, and it was your first year and you got 70% occupancy. At $3,500 a month, let's say you're netting $3,000. At 70% occupancy, that's $25,200 a year. So there is a lot of room to make money here. But again, this could easily be for someone that wants to live in it and rent it out when they're not here, maybe breaking even, because it's a perfect location. So if you want to make an offer on this one, if you want to go see it, or you are looking for something different, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see some more awesome videos, check out this playlist right here.